Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to do the leap of faith in Baldur's Gate 3. This special jump allows your characters to traverse significant distances, opening up new pathways and secrets. It's a fantastic way to explore areas that seem unreachable, providing strategic advantages in combat and exploration. We'll cover the essential steps to master this technique, ensuring you can confidently navigate the game's diverse environments and uncover all its hidden treasures. Let's dive in and make those impossible jumps possible. Before attempting a leap of faith, preparation is key. First, check your character's strength score. A higher score directly translates to longer jumps. Reducing your character's encumbrance by dropping unnecessary items also helps. For an even greater advantage, consider casting Enhance Leap, which triples your jump distance for 10 turns. Alternatively, a potion of Hill Giant Strength can temporarily set your strength to 21, dramatically improving your jumping capability. These preparations will make your leaps much more successful. Now, let's execute the jump. First, select the character you want to move across the gap. Next, open their action bar and find the jump ability. Click on it, and then move your cursor to the desired landing location. The game will visually indicate the maximum jump distance with a green outline. Aim for a clear, flat surface on the other side. If the path is green, you're good to go. A successful jump will move your character to the new position, allowing you to continue your adventure. For advanced maneuvers, consider using the Fly spell or a Potion of Flying, which allows for completely unhindered movement across any gap. Remember that some races, such as the Githyanki, possess inherent jump bonuses, making them excellent candidates for these leaps. Always observe your surroundings for subtle environmental cues that might indicate a hidden path accessible only by jumping. Finally, combining a powerful jump with a teleportation spell like Misty Step can grant unparalleled mobility, letting you reach almost any location.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.